How bad is it? Fat-free. Fat-free Lay's potato chips. How do you do that?
More sugar.
Well, they got rid of it. Remember, they put a thing called Olestra in there.
Yeah.
I loved Olestra. It had to come with a warning. May cause spontaneous anal leakage. Nice. Nice. What else do we do? I love this. Why do you buy half and half? You want it to have more what?
Cream.
More cream, more fat. That's why we buy it. So how the heck do you get fat-free half and half?
More sugar.
It's some kind of crazy voodoo science. Oh, Marvel, that sounds good. We can eat all we want. So what we do is we replace it, and in order to make it not taste like a chemistry experiment, the second ingredient is corn syrup. That's how we give it a little body and thickness. So you're eating fat-free, because you got to lower those saturated fats to prevent heart disease. Because, the government has to say that, because otherwise all those subsidy dollars would be like a waste. All right. Natural. Cocaine's natural. Black tar heroin's natural.
Yep.
Right? Marijuana's natural. Hey, why'd you have to go there? The other ones everyone agrees is heinous. All right. The only problem with the marijuana, you eat more of that Olestra.
That's right.
We got stupid people walking around with spontaneous anal leakage.